Yoga is an ancient practice that has become a cornerstone of modern wellness, offering a range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Whether you are looking to increase flexibility, build strength, reduce stress, or improve overall well-being, yoga provides a holistic approach to achieving these goals. Yoga can be particularly beneficial for beginners because it can be practiced at your own pace, making it accessible regardless of fitness level or experience. This guide will explore essential yoga poses for beginners and highlight the various health benefits that come with incorporating yoga into your routine. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Why practice yoga? Yoga is more than just a form of exercise. It is a comprehensive mind-body practice that improves mental clarity, enhances focus, and promotes relaxation. For beginners, yoga can serve as a gentle introduction to mindful movement, offering a break from the fast pace of daily life. One of the primary benefits of yoga is its ability to improve flexibility, which is particularly helpful as the body tends to lose flexibility with age or a sedentary lifestyle. Alongside flexibility, yoga strengthens muscles, particularly those that support posture, and helps to improve balance and coordination. Another key benefit of yoga is its positive effect on mental health. The practice encourages mindfulness and awareness, which helps to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Through deep breathing techniques, yoga activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body and mind. Regular practice can lead to greater emotional balance and a sense of inner peace. Whether for stress relief or building strength, yoga's holistic benefits are accessible to individuals at any stage of life or fitness level. Benefits of yoga. Yoga provides a wide array of benefits that extend beyond flexibility. It can help you feel stronger, more balanced, and mentally centered. Flexibility. One of the most noticeable benefits of yoga is the improvement in flexibility. Many yoga poses involve stretching the muscles, which helps to lengthen and loosen them, increasing the range of motion in joints. This can reduce stiffness and prevent injury. Strength. Yoga poses often require you to support your own body weight in new ways, such as in planks, standing poses, or balance poses. This strengthens muscles, particularly the core, legs, arms, and back. Over time, yoga can lead to improved muscle tone and greater endurance. Mental clarity and focus. Yoga promotes mindfulness, which involves paying attention to the present moment. This not only helps with stress reduction, but also improves mental clarity and concentration. By focusing on your breath and aligning your movements, yoga helps to clear your mind and boost cognitive function. Stress reduction. Yoga has been shown to reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, in the body. The combination of physical movement and breathwork activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxation. As a result, yoga can help reduce stress and anxiety, providing a sense of calm and relaxation. Essential yoga poses for beginners. For beginners, it's essential to start with foundational poses that focus on proper alignment, balance, and flexibility. These poses can be modified as needed, and with regular practice, you'll build strength and improve your ability to hold more advanced poses over time. Here are some beginner-friendly yoga poses that are great for building a strong foundation. Mountain Pose, Tadasana. Mountain pose is the starting point for most yoga practices, as it helps to establish grounding and alignment. To perform this pose, stand with your feet together, arms at your sides, and your weight evenly distributed. Lift your chest, engage your thighs, and extend the crown of your head toward the ceiling. Breathe deeply and focus on maintaining balance and alignment. This pose helps improve posture, builds awareness of your body in space, and strengthens the legs and core. Downward Facing Dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Downward Facing Dog is one of the most recognized yoga poses. It's a full-body stretch that engages the arms, shoulders, back, and legs. Start in a tabletop position with your hands and knees on the floor. Press your palms into the mat and lift your hips upward, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your hands shoulder-width apart. This pose stretches the hamstrings, calves, and spine, while strengthening the arms and core. It also promotes improved circulation and energizes the body. Child's Pose Balasana. Child's Pose is a gentle resting pose that allows you to relax and stretch your back. Begin on your hands and knees, then gently lower your hips towards your heels, keeping your arms extended in front of you or resting by your sides. Let your forehead touch the mat and focus on deep breathing. This pose is excellent for relieving tension in the back and neck, calming the mind, and restoring energy. Cat-Cow Pose, Marjaryasana Patilasana. The cat-cow sequence is a flowing movement that warms up the spine and increases flexibility. Start in a tabletop position on your hands and knees. On an inhale, arch your back and look up, cow pose. And on an exhale, round your back and bring your chin towards your chest, cat pose. Repeat this movement in a fluid motion, synchronizing your breath with your movements. This dynamic stretch improves spinal mobility, alleviates tension in the neck and back, and promotes breath awareness. Tree Pose Vrksasana. Tree pose is a balance pose that promotes focus and stability. Start by standing tall, then shift your weight onto one foot. Place the sole of your other foot on your inner thigh or calf, avoiding the knee. Bring your palms together in front of your chest or extend your arms overhead. Seated Forward Fold Paschimottanasana. Seated forward fold is a calming pose that stretches the hamstrings and spine. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale as you lengthen your spine, and exhale as you gently fold forward, reaching for your feet or ankles. If you can't reach your feet, place a strap around your feet or simply rest your hands on your shins. This pose stretches the hamstrings, relieves tension in the lower back, and promotes a sense of calm and relaxation. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.